What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mitolyn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Mitolyn works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a novel weight management supplement that helps boost mitochondrial functions, enhance metabolic rate, and burn calories. This all-natural formula is made of 6 plant-based ingredients scientifically proven to promote mitochondrial activity and support healthy weight loss. Mitolyn supplement is manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility in the United States. Third-party inspections additionally test the formula to ensure its purity and quality. This is a GMO-free supplement, and no chemicals or stimulants are added to it. It is non-habit forming and is free of soy or dairy-based ingredients. Mitolyn formula comes in easy-to-swallow capsules, and a bottle provides a month's supply. How does Mitolyn work? The Mitolyn supplement is designed to target the root cause of weight gain, which is low mitochondrial activity. As we know, mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy from food. The formula is a blend of crucial nutrients that support mitochondrial functions, and the antioxidants protect it from oxidative stress and free radicals. It also improves cellular activity and helps boost metabolic rate. This way, the supplement helps burn more calories and lose stubborn body fat. It also produces more energy from the calories and stores them for subsequent use. Mitolyn capsules help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. Mitolyn formula also aids in managing blood pressure levels, and antioxidants in the formula protect the heart from various diseases. The formula helps lower stress and anxiety and support overall mood. What are the ingredients in Mitolyn? Here are the ingredients that are used in the Mitolyn weight loss formula. Maqui berry. Maqui berry is a fruit mainly grown in South Africa. Studies show it has thermogenic properties that can boost metabolism. It burns calories and helps lose body fat. The berries contain antioxidants that protect the heart from free radicals and reduce the risk of heart disease. It helps regulate blood sugar levels. Rhodiola. Rhodiola is an herb found in cold regions of Asia and Europe. Researchers have shown that herb extract is beneficial for burning off body fat and can accelerate weight loss. It also naturally boosts energy levels and enhances athletic performance. The herb can lower cortisol levels and fight mental fatigue. Haematococcus. Haematococcus, or astaxanthin, is a pigment found in yeast, shrimp, and other sea animals. Some studies found that it is beneficial for reducing body weight and has positive effects on the body's metabolic process. This pigment can also reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and support cognitive functions. Amla. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a fruit that has been used in traditional and Ayurvedic medicines for centuries. It is rich in fiber that helps slow down digestion and keeps the stomach fuller for longer periods. The fruit is also beneficial for metabolic processes and helps lose body fat. Theobroma cacao. Theobroma cacao is a plant primarily found in Africa. The theobromine component helps boost the body's metabolic rate and burn off fat. It is beneficial for reducing cravings and appetite and keeps the stomach fuller for a longer time. This plant has antioxidant properties that protect cardiovascular health. Schisandra. Schisandra is a plant with purple-red berries found in Asia and Russia. The plant has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for many years. Studies have shown that it reduces fat tissue in the body and helps lose weight. It has antidepressant properties that lower the signs of depression.